Here's our day 2 in Bangkok, Thailand. Pero before tayo magsimula, quick plug lang. If magbubook kayo ng hotels, activities, tours, or anything on Klook, don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPKLOOK for discounts. We started our day with a buffet breakfast here sa Picnic Hotel Bangkok. Kasama na to sa booking namin ng hotel via Klook. By the way, I already made a room tour video of this hotel, so panoorin niyo yun para may idea kayo bakit recommended namin tong hotel if pupunta kayo dito sa Bangkok. Video link sa comment section below. One thing na nagustuhan namin dito is convenient yung location and spacious yung room. Again, you can book this sa Klook and don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPKLOOK. After breakfast, pumunta na kami sa Wat Arun. Nag-train kami papuntang sa Pan Taksin Station and from there, sumakay kami ng ferry papuntang Wat Arun. Dito sa station, meron ng ticket booth for the ferry. Pwede kang kumuha ng all-day river pass for 150 baht. Pero since isang ride lang kami, we availed yung single journey na 40 baht. Naglakad lang kami pababa para makapunta sa terminal. Tapos may option na upper deck or aircon area sa baba. Sa baba na lang kami umupo para comfortable. Medyo hinintay lang din na dumami yung passengers bago umalis pero hindi naman din siya ganun katagal. And after a few minutes, nandito na kami sa Wat Arun. Upon arrival dito sa Wat Arun, nagbayad muna kami ng entrance fee na 200 baht per person. May free water din after magbayad. Then, naghanap na kami agad ng Thai costume rental. Pero to be honest, nahirapan kami hanapin yung mga shop na yon. Buti na lang may nakita kaming may hawak ng banner na may packages ng Thai costume. So, nagtanong kami and tinuro niya kami sa photographer. Then, sinamahan kami ng photographer sa shop kung saan kami mag-rent ng Thai costume. May separate vlog na nga pala ako for this experience. So, watch nyo yun. Link sa comment section. Yung binayad namin is 2,000 baht. Good for 2 person na yon. Kasama na ang Thai costume plus photoshoot. And to be honest, super worth it siya. Ang ganda ng kinalabasan ng mga photos. Must try talaga to if you're visiting Bangkok. After Wat Arun, sumakay ulit kami ng ferry to go to Wat Pho, kung saan makikita yung giant reclining Buddha statue. Pero before that, nag-lunch muna kami sa tapat ng Wat Pho, sa The Sixth. Highly recommended namin to kasi masarap yung food nila. Ito yung mga in-order namin.
So ito guys, pineapple fried rice. Tapos, ayan, baka malabas pa.
Meron siyang mga pineapple, raisins, parang floss, cucumber, yung mga nuts, siya parang chorizo. Ayan. So I think curry to. Curry rice.
Pineapple fried.
I mean curry.
Ito, isa.
Ito red hot chili, salt shrimp. Spicy.
Sarap.
Yung rice naman.
Yung muna Pasko. Kaya sa mula.
Bagay na bagay.
And syempre, di kompleto ang Bangkok kung walang mango sticky rice. After lunch, naglakad lang kami papunta sa Wat Pho. Entrance fee dito is 300 baht. Pagkatapos magbayad, itatap mo lang yung receipt sa may gate para makapasok. Dito, merong mga malalaking gong and visitors are encouraged to strike them. It's believed to attract positive energy, clear the mind, and bring good luck. Before entering the home of the reclining Buddha, you have to remove your shoes as a sign of respect. The reclining Buddha is 46 meters long and 15 meters high. Super breathtaking in person. Along the wall, makikita mo yung 108 bronze bowl. And people are dropping coins as a way to honor the 108 virtues and reflect on their intentions. After ng temple tour, sumakay kami ulit ng ferry papunta naman sa Icon Siam, isa sa biggest malls here in Thailand. Dito located ang Starbucks Reserve. So, nag-coffee break muna kami. Dito rin sa 7th floor ng Icon Siam, merong Pop Mart at merong Pop Mart Cafe. Pero hindi na kami pumasok kasi nakita namin medyo mahaba ang pila. Nag-ikot din kami sa Suk Siam, yung indoor floating market dito sa loob ng mall. Sobrang daming mabibili from food, souvenirs, to local crafts. We tried the banana roti with Nutella and the coconut Thai tea cake. both ay masarap. After mag-ikot sa Suk Sayam and Icon Sayam, we decided na umuwi na at magpahinga. And that's it for our day 2 here in Bangkok. See you on our day 3. Ayun lang, babush!